Do you know there are people in Kenya right now making over 100,000 K per month just managing social media for businesses? And they started with zero experience. Social media management is one of the easiest ways of making money online in Kenya 2026. Yes, right now. You don't need a degree, you do not need a fancy portfolio, you just need to know what works. This topic is interesting to me because I have actually done it. I started with social media management before I opened my digital marketing agency, where we help business owners with their socials. I started from zero experience, just like you, no connection, no experience, nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become a social media manager and start getting paid for it. This is the exact path I took. I will cover what social media managers actually do, their skills or the skills you need to learn, and how to get your first client, how to price your services, and how to scale to multiple clients. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to become a social media manager. In case you're new here, hi, I am Sarah. I'm a digital marketing strategist, a mom and a wife and a business owner. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. Also, if you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. The first thing is, what do social media managers actually do? Most people think beginners social media management is about posting pretty pictures. No, it is way more than that. Here is what you'll be doing as a social media manager. One is content creation, creating posts, graphics, real stories. This is the main thing. You're making content that gets engagement and drives results for the business. We have content scheduling in advance. Content goes out consistent because all know consistency is the key. Tracking what is working and what is not. Showing clients the numbers. We have followers, growth, engagement rates, reach, websites click, and much more around content. The second thing, we have the strategy, figuring out what type of content to post, when to post it, what platforms to focus on. You're not just posting randomly, you're creating strategy that get results. We also have paid ads, but this one is optional as a beginner. Some social media managers run Facebook and Instagram ads for their clients. This is more advanced, but it pays way more. Fun fact, most small business owners have no idea how to do any of these. They're too busy running their businesses, which is good, and that's where you and I comes in on me with my agency. And now that you understand their work, what are the skills you need? Content creation basics. Learn Canva. For graphics, it's free and easy. Watch YouTube tutorials, practice making posts, stories, reels. You do not need Photoshop. Canva is enough. We have copywriting, writing captions that get people to engage and buy. We also have understanding the algorithms. Learn how Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn algorithm works. This is very important. What gets pushed, what get buried. You can also learn how to use CapCut and InShot. The two are free. We have analytics. Now, understanding metrics. What is engagement rate? What's good reach? How do you track the growth? You should know how to understand Instagram insights, Facebook business suite. We also have communication skills. You're going to be talking to clients, presenting reports, giving recommendation. You need to communicate clearly and professionally. Where do you learn all the above skills? And the favorite app, or my favorite app, is YouTube. YouTube is your best friend. Everything is free. Search how to create content for Instagram in 2026. Canva tutorials for beginners, social media strategy basics. Watch 5 to 10 videos on each topic. At the end, you'll be a pro. You can also try Udemy courses. You can also get a course on social media marketing, content creation, or copywriting. There are so many paid and free courses everywhere. And how do you get the experience? You practice on your own accounts. You can also create fake business accounts. Whatever you learn, you come and actualize it. For example, you can pretend you're managing a coffee shop, post content every day for 30 days. Learn by doing things. There is no way you can learn this without doing it. Let's discuss about getting your first client. This is where most people get stuck. They learn the skill but never get a client because they don't know how to find one. Here is exactly how you get your first client. Start with the people you know, friends or family, their businesses. Reach out to them and offer to manage their social for free or at a very cheap price for the first month. You need testimonials and a portfolio before you go into the job market. Offer what to do for them, for example 5 to 10,000 a month to just manage and grow their pages. This actually what I did. You can also start with local businesses, walk around your area, which business have weak social media or no social media at all, restaurants, salons, gyms, boutique. You can say, for example, hi, I noticed your Instagram hasn't been updated in months. I'm a social media manager and I would love to help you grow your online presence. Can we talk? Facebook groups, join groups like Kenya Freelancers, Virtual Assistant Jobs in Kenya, Social Media Management Jobs in Kenya. There are such Facebook groups. You can get real opportunities in such groups. I have done it before over and over again. You can also now use the Upwork and Fiverr. These are my two favorite. Yes, it is competitive, but people get actual jobs there. I have gotten there over and over again. Make your profile professional. Add a sample of content you've created, even if it was for your fake profile or fake business. Apply to 10 jobs every day. Another way of getting customers is called cold DM strategy. Find businesses on Instagram with between 1,000 to 10,000 followers. These are small enough that the owners probably manages the social media account. You can DM them. For example, you can say, hi, I love your business. I am a social media manager and I help small businesses like yours grow their socials and get more customers. Would you be open for a quick call to discuss how I can help you? Send between 20 to 30 per day. Remember, you are committed. 10% will respond. 10 of those will become clients. That's 1 to 2 clients from 100 DMs. That is called pitching. And when it comes to pitching, your pitch should include what you will do for them, what results they can expect, and also your prices and a call to action. Another big thing is about pricing your services. Pricing is tricky when you're starting out. I know this is a headache to many. Here is what I would recommend. For your first 1 to 3, charge between 5 to 15,000 per month. You're building your portfolio. This is how I charged. I charged actually 15,000 and get testimonials. Don't work for free, guys. Do not work for free. However, do not charge them premium rates yet. After you've testimonials, raise to about 20 to 40 Kenya shillings per month per customer. That is reasonable for basic social media management in Kenya. What affects your pricing? Now, how many posts per week? 3 posts versus 7 posting is different work. How many platforms are you managing? Just Instagram is easier than a person managing Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and also LinkedIn. We have other factors. For example, are you creating all the content, or does the business owner provide all the photos, all the videos? Creating everything from scratch creates more. Do you handle DMs and comments? This takes a lot of time. The best way to do it is having packages. For example, you can have a basic package with 3 posts per week on Instagram stories every day, plus engagement for just 20,000 a month. You can have a standard package for 5 posts per week on Facebook and Instagram stories every day, and daily engagement for 35,000 Kenyan shillings, and a premium package with daily posting on 3 platforms. You can have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. 3 lives per week, stories every day, full engagement, paid ads for about 60 to 100,000 per month. One client paying you about 25,000 Kenya shillings per month is nice, but having 5 paying 25,000 each is 125,000, which is good money. So how do you scale? Get really good at batch creating the content. Do not create content as you go. Set aside a day per week, create all the content for all the clients at once. Film 20 reels in 2 hours, design 30 graphics on Canva on 1 hour. Use templates, speed up things. Use scheduling tools. You can use Meta Business Suite, you can use Data, you can use Buffer, you can use Metrico, which is my favorite. After creating, you schedule all the content at the beginning of every week or every month. Then you just need to be engaging every single day, and it makes work easy. Another important thing is systemizing everything. Create systems for everything. Create templates, content calendar, captioning formula, clients onboarding checklist. The more you systemize, the faster you work. And when you have 5 clients and above, you start hiring, and this is how you create an agency. If you're working 60 hours per week, hire a VA or a content creator to help pay them between 20 to 30,000 per month. They'll handle the execution and you'll handle the strategy and clients communication. At this point, this is where you rise your rates. As you get more experience, you give better results, and also you charge more. After 6 months, you should be able to get between 30 to 50,000 per customer, and after an year, 50 to 100 or even 150, depending on the size of an organization, turn into an agency now. One big mistake that many people make, they stop at 2 to 3 customers and get comfortable. Do not do that. Keep growing. It's good to keep elevating, keep improving, and keep raising your rates. Let's talk about the tools that you need. For graphic design, I would recommend Canva, the free version of it. For video editing, InShot or CapCut, the free version of them. We have Pixels for stock photos, Meta Business Suite. I use Metrico, but it is a paid version. I like it. For analytics, you can use Instagram Insights, Facebook Business Suite for organizations. That is it. That is how you start it, easy and straightforward. And that's exactly how I began. In case you feel stuck, I have an ebook which will guide you step by step, and I will attach it on the description box. If you are a business owner watching this and thinking, I need someone to handle my socials, check out my email on the description box and shoot an email to me right away. If you have a question, drop it down on the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.